Hello children, yesterday we completed exercise 1.2 example number 1. Today we are going to do example number 2 and further. Okay. Now find the LCM and HCF of the following pair of integers and verify LCM into HCF equal to product of two numbers. Means first we have to find out HCF and LCM and then we have to verify this formula. Okay. Now first number given to you is 26 and second number is 91. So what are the factors of 26? We will do this by factorization method. We will find the HCF by factorization method. So 2 13 ja 26. Both are prime. So we will stop here. 91. Factors of 91 are 13 7 ja means 7 13 ja. We got two prime numbers. So here the factors are 7 multiply 13. So what are the factors of 26? So 2 multiply 13. What are the factors of 91? So 7 multiply 13. Now to find the HCF, which are the two terms which are common? Which is the term which is common in both the factors? So that is 13. So HCF of 26, 91 will be 13. We have to find the common terms. Okay. Highest common factor. Next we need to find out LCM. So in LCM we will write all the terms. That means first term we will write 2, second term we will write 7 and 13 is common in both. So we will write 13 but we will write it once. Okay, as it is common in both. So what is the LCM? 2 7s are 14 into 13. The answer will be 182. Now for verifying this formula LCM into HCF. So we will multiply both LCM into HCF into LCM. What is the HCF? 13. What is the LCM? 182. 13 into 182, 2366. And what is RHS? The product of two numbers. Which are the two numbers? 26 and 91. So we have to find the product. So 26 multiply 91. And the answer of both the numbers is 2366. So you can see both the answers are same. That means LCM into HCF into LCM is equal to product of two numbers. Therefore LHS is equal to RHS. Hence we have verified the formula. Second sum the same way. We have to find HCF and LCM of 510 and 92. So first factor of 510, 2 255 are. Okay. Now we will 2 is the prime number, so we will factorize 255. So it will come in the table of 3. 385 are. Okay, 3 is prime, so we will factorize 85. It will come in table of 5. So 5 17s are 85. Both are prime, so we will stop here. In 92, the two factors are 2 46s are. 2 is prime, so we will factorize 46. So 2 23s are. 2 and 23 both are prime, so we will stop here. So what are the factors of 510? So 2 into 3 into 5 into 17. 2, 3, 5 and 17. What are the factors of 92? So 2 we got twice. So 2 square into 23. Now for finding the HCF of 510 and 92. What we will do? First of all find the common base. The common base in both of them are 2. Okay, 3 is present in this but not in this. 5 is also present in this, not in this. Nothing else is common. The common base is 2. So common base is 2 and we have to take the lowest power. Okay, here the power of 2 is 2 square and here it is given 2 raised to 1. We have to take the low power. That means we will take 2 raised to 1. The answer will be 2. In HCF we have to take smaller power. Okay. In 2 square and 2 raised to 1 the smaller power is 1. So we will take 2 raised to 1. So answer will be 2 raised to 1 means 2. Now next we need to find out LCM. For LCM we have to write all the bases. First 2, then 3, 5, 17 and 23. All the bases you have to write. The 2, 3, 5, 17 and 23. Now 2 is common in both. But in LCM, in HCF we took the smaller power. In LCM we will take bigger power. That means we will take 2 square. Instead in a common base we will take the bigger power. That means we will take 2 square. 2 square means 4. 3 into 5 into 17 into 23. 4 3 ja 12, 12 5 ja 60. 60 into 17 into 23. The answer is 23,460. Okay. So here I have not verified, but you can verify using the same formula. You can verify HCF into LCM is equal to product of two numbers. That you can do on your own. Okay. Next, third sum. You can do on your own. It is similar as sum number 2. Okay. And you can verify also. Now next we will move to example number 3. Find the LCM and HCF of the following by prime factorization method. You are given 3 numbers, 12, 15 and 21. So what are the factors of 12? So 2 6 are 12. Okay, 2 is prime, 6 is composite. So we will factorize it. What are the factors of 6? So 2 3 are 6. Similarly, we will find the factors of 15. 3 5 are 15 and 21, both are prime. So we will stop here. 21. So 3 7s are 21. The 12 factors 2 2 3. That means 2 square into 3. 15 3 multiply 5. 21 3 multiply 7. So we will find first HCF of 12, 15 and 21. So which is the base? Which base is common? So 3 is present in both, all the 3 numbers. So we will write 3. And the power is, and all the power is 1. So 3 raised to 1, that means 3. For LCM, we will write all the bases. 2, 3, 5 and 7. So 2, 3, 5 and 7. 2 square. So you will write 2 square. Okay. 3, 3, 3 is common in both. So 3 raised to 1, 5 raised to 1, 7 raised to 1. 2 square means 4. 3 raised to 1 means 3, 5 and 7. 4 3 ja 12, 5 ja 60. 60 into 7, 420. Okay. The same way you can find the second and third sum also. You can find the HCF and LCM by prime factorization method.